Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this video, small video about USDX index and the USD pairs trade. Okay, each index has its own pair and trades, right? That's how I always show it. So USD index, let me show you my chart. This is the chart I made in the 17th December, that right here either we're going to drop right from there or we will probably go up there. If we go up, then the first target would be 78%, and if we break that, this the underneath this TL, and 0698 would be the ultimate target if we go to the upside. And going downside or upside basically depends on the fundies we get from the scheduled news fundamentals, right? So what happened to this chart is that it drops right from there, and we are close by here somewhere. It bounces from a monthly number 0052, I guess, right? So let me see if I can show you. The live chart is this, right? So this was the number there, 0052. It touches that. It's a monthly number, it's a monthly high, and then we pulled back to 0129, and then we flip-flopping here on Friday. If you look at the 20-minute chart, you will see this is how it is. So it came down very beautifully, and then this is another signal that I'm going down again, and it did. Then another signal, I'm going down again, it did. And now it went up, down. This is 0219, 0129 line right here, and this is 0219, and this is the one 0052. To be exact, is this right there. Okay, so it just touched to the pip, it bounced back to 0129, and it came down here, it went up. This is how it ended the Friday, and it looks like that it's just a sideways movement, correction, and then it's going to continue dropping, and the way I showed in my chart. And the final target is God knows how, where, but it's down. Okay, so far Monday, anything can happen, but so far this is my take, and it is the way it is now here. Let me just one more time, let me move this one here. So this is how it is, right? So it came very close, and ultimate target for now, the first one, you can say that this high here, the 0004, and but I think that it's going to continue to the downside, and US index going down is in USD getting weaker. What happened when USD getting weaker is that all the pairs where the USD is on the left hand side will be going down, and all the pair where right, and all the pairs where the USD would be on the right hand side will be going up, like Euro USD, Pound USD, or the USD. They will be going up, right? And USD CAD, USD franc, USD yen, they will be coming down. So knowing that, and I predicted ahead of time that this is what I'm expecting, and I will trade accordingly. So if Euro USD, it has to go up, right? I would be looking for long, and USD franc, I'll be looking for short, obviously, right? Based on my analysis and my theory of early wave or whatever. So what I did on the 10th January, you can see that I had several longs before, but you see, this is the one that I took on the January 8th was the entry, and I closed it on the 10th. This is how it went up. Beautiful entry by the book for 100 plus pips. Okay, and USD franc should be going down, right, with the USD weakness. And USD franc is just the opposite of Euro USD. When Euro USD go up, USD franc goes down, right? That's the inverse relationship they have for the longest time. So what happened, if you want to take a look at the USD franc, this is how the same day, January 10th, USD franc all the way down, right? So this is how easy it is if you pay attention and plan ahead of time, and trade accordingly. Don't go for example here, a long setup. No, because my analysis already is telling me that USD is going to get weaker, then this thing is not going to go up, it's going to drop, right? Similarly here, it start to go up, and a lot of people will go long here knowing that okay, it is bouncing from weekly low as a support area, and it looks like there's bouncing and going up, but it's just making a short setup here, and I was expecting a short trade, and I open a trade as soon as the red candle starts. Right there in my entry, all the way down 80 pips, right? So this is how it's done. USD, Euro USD, and USD franc. And basically, you know, you need maybe just one trade a day or two, maybe, that's it, right? So who cares about the rest? This is a lot of pippage. I mean, all you gotta do is increase your lot size, right? All right, now beside this, and by the way, this whole phenomena that I said this is gonna happen, and the next chart you can see that this is like a ending triangle. It's like a diagonal, right? And it's breaking the diagonal. It is based on my study. My charts is like, this is what it is. This happened. It's like ending diagonal, and a few months ago same thing happened in Euro index, and it dropped like bombshell. Okay, so big time. And maybe USD is gonna do the same. All right, so now another chart that I sent out and I tweeted, also I sent out on the Twitter this chart on the 8th January, that this is the CAD index, and it's going to drop for wave 5, and when it does, everywhere where the CAD, Canadian dollar, is on the right hand side, those pair will be going up, like Aussie CAD, Pound CAD, Euro CAD, USD CAD, and CJ means CAD yen will be going down because CAD is on the left hand side. So what happened to this chart and these pairs, I will show you in the next video, because I don't want to mix it up, everything, you know, I want to keep it separate. And then same thing happened to the pound, and I'll make another video for that small video. By the way, this chart didn't work out. It went up a little bit more, but you know, still wave 4. And what happened, this is the chart that I made again on 11th, early in the morning, 11 o'clock, same scenario, same everything. It's just that it went up a little bit more, one more time, one more push to the upside, just to touch this TL and 50%. But after that, what happened, and then what was the effect on these pairs, I'll show you in the next video. Until then, bye and have a great day or night. Okay, sharing.